Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have a lot of Professionale. Came to the shop, essentially coming out of storage, needing a tune-up. So we replaced the entire gasket set, including the group gasket here, these piston gaskets like this. We also replaced the sight glass right here. You can see there's actually a little bit of a chip in there. Replace the entire gasket set, and then as well as the guard for the sight glass. Then I also replaced the old sub base for the machine. This one just become brittle and started to break in multiple locations. So right now we have it heated up. We have steam, and I'm just going to do a shot. This is just our test coffee. This is just demonstrating that the machine works as we expect it to. There we have it. It's a little tiny shot. Thank you for watching.